Hello Year 4, it's me again, Miss Samra. So here is lesson 4, the last lesson of the week. And I think I forgot in the last video to mention, if you were feeling confident to do the beginning part of the story, it would have been nice for you to get through the whole of the story too, just so that you can finish the play script for the whole story. And then it'll be a really nice piece of writing and something to help you with today's lesson, because today we're going to apply the skills and strategies of a successful speaker and listener. Now, we do work quite a lot in class on being good listeners, especially when other people are sharing, and when it's your turn to speak. It's really good to have a really good speaking skill, because it will help you in your future. And if you do presentations as well, it's very good to have a good, clear voice. So we're going to focus on those strategies and skills first, and then we're going to do something else today with our play scripts. So a good speaker talks clearly, can be heard, thinks before they speak, takes their time, so you're not rushing when you're speaking, you're listening to others, and you're looking at the audience. For instance, we're going to be doing role play, so you don't necessarily have to look at the audience. You need to look at your partner who you're acting your play with. A good listener, on the other hand, allows others to speak, sits quietly, looks at the person who is speaking, and puts their hand up if they have something to say. So hopefully when you're performing, the whole class, or whoever's at home with you, if you're at home, listens really carefully. If they have something to say, they just have to wait until you finish performing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you, there's loads of cards on the site, I've uploaded the document, is play this game with someone at home or with the person next to you. So this is a thinking card. These games make you think, and they make you take turns to be a successful speaker and listener. So you're going to have a card after this, and your partner will also have a different card, and you're both going to take it in turns to act out what's on your card. So let's do one together. You walk into class, and instead of your teacher, you find Goldilocks sitting in her chair. She tells you that you can ask 3 questions. Which would you pick and why? So that was my turn to be the speaker and your turn to be the listener. So you need to give me 3 questions that you would pick, and you need to give me reasons why. So the person at home, you can do that too. And then you can choose another card for yourself and another card for your partner and have another go. Okay? So with your thinking card, practice being good speakers and listeners with your partner. Remember to take it in turns, show you are actively listening and using a clear voice when speaking. So, with your play scripts that you should have finished, let's perform our plays from yesterday. Can you show good listening and speaking skills? So don't worry, you don't have to perform straight away. You can just rehearse and then have a go at performing. If you are at home, you can upload yourself acting your play out. Be lovely to see, and it's quite easy to upload videos onto ClassDojo, and it'll be lovely for your teachers to see that too. So remember the good skills that you need to speak really clearly. Don't rush. Make sure everyone can hear you. Make sure you're making eye contact to the person that you're performing with, and if you're listening, show that you are actively listening. Okay, and then that is the end of lesson 4. So you should have finished your play scripts, rehearsed them and performed them, and upload that to ClassDojo. Good luck!